Natural Spas video. This is the 740L from our Hawaiian Breeze range. It's 40 jet twin pump model. This particular one is in sterling marble, which is the white with the silver marble running through it, and a grey leatherwood cabinet. Okay, so quick look in the spa. We've got a lounge position. So we've got foot jets, leg jets and back jets, and a comfort headrest. Looking around the spa, plenty of seating. As we run round, comfort headrest in the corner, very well adjusted seat, as you can see over there. Okay, we've also got water diversion on both the pumps. So we've got two pumps, 2 speeds on both pumps, and also diversion. So I will demonstrate that as best I can. So we're running pump 1 on speed 1 at the moment. That's pump 1 on speed 2. And this diverter here moves all the power of that pump into the lounge position, or if I spin it through, it puts all the power into the foot jets and the middle seats. Set in the middle is powerful enough. Okay, so that's pump 1. On top of that we've got pump 2, which does the rear of the spa we see there. Got 2 speeds on pump 2 as well, so I'll just flick that on. Low speed pump 2, high speed pump 2. And we also have a diverter so that we can put all the power into that seat, switch that one off virtually, and then do the opposite. But again, set in middle position, because this is such a powerful spa, is probably good enough. I've just got that pump down a second so you can hear what I'm saying. Okay, so looking round, there's the obvious colour change in LED lighting. So we've got the diverter knobs are lit, we've got perimeter lighting around the spa as well. You can see the water fountains actually glow up at night. It's not that dark yet, but you can see it colours the water as it comes through the fountain. On top of the diverter valves we've got backlit speakers, because of course 740 has standard Bluetooth music and the sound quality is brilliant. So that's just a quick whiz round the spa. If you've got any questions, give us a call on 01684 276 555. Thanks for watching. Hi guys, so this is just a look around the Pearl Shadow 740, a quick whiz round. Give you an idea of different colour. Looks very blue here. It's Pearl Shadow. It's a silver and grey black shell colour.